Hey guys, what's up? It's Sean, Autotopia LA. This is my final mention about our new collection. If you think you want items from the new collection, I highly recommend heading over to atlamerch.com. We ordered very limited amounts, so it probably will sell out quickly. This is our video on LS Fest. I, unfortunately, can't be there. I am on a family trip down in Cabo. Kind of bummed about it. I'm stuck down here at the beach. But I did send the crew out, and the guys are out running around right now, shooting, capturing an immersive view of what LS Fest is about. Autocrossing, drifting, drag racing, the car show, the whole thing. Complete and total mayhem should be going on right now. So enjoy the walkthrough, and a big thanks to my crew for heading out there and taking care of business. All right, you guys, this is LS Fest.
What's up, everybody? Alex Stivoletti from Holley here. We're proud to be partnered up with Autotopia LA, and welcome to Holley LS Fest West.
So LS Fest, from watching all the clips that my crew caught, looks like a combination between Mad Max, Road Warrior meets SEMA, in the sense that it's massive, massive, overwhelming massive, like you probably couldn't cover the whole place in one day. You have elements of a car show going on, and it's predominantly GM. It is called LS Fest, right? So it's predominantly GM, a lot of Chevy stuff. But when you look around, there's more than just Chevy, but they're all running LS motors. You've got BMWs out there, Porsche out there, some JDM stuff out there, all LS equipped. But this isn't just a car show. It's not just cars parked and boring us all. This is action-based. Holley didn't put LS Fest together just to put on a car show. So you've got an entire area where there's drifting going on. And I mean, getting down, tandem drifting. Then, alongside that, you got a whole burnout donut pit where people are going ballistic, taking the tires off their cars, blowing stuff up. Absolute mayhem. You've got autocrossing, which is a heavy part of LS Fest going on. And you got two different tracks for autocross, one of which my crew said they didn't even get out to because it was a whole other part of the facility to get to. But we did capture a lot of the autocrossing, and you got a lot of guys out here that are really competitive autocrossers, a lot of which are friends of ours that all have SpeedTech equipped cars, like our buddy Frankie from P2 Fabrication in his Buick G-Body that you've seen on our channel before. And a lot of other, I mean, SpeedTech, I want to say, had 25, 30, maybe even 40 vehicles out there, just showing that they don't build suspension and chassis components just for cruisers. They're building stuff that's meant for road courses, autocross, hardcore driving.
Hey everybody, it's Cameron of SpeedTech Performance, and today we are at LS Fest West 2023, and I just wanted to take a second to tell you how excited we are to be working with Autotopia LA.
Then along with all this going on, you've also got full-blown drag racing happening, and a lot of guys going out and really getting after it, drag racing. And like, this isn't all enough. And by the way, my crew told me the entire time you're either seeing or smelling or both smoke. Constant smoke show throughout the entire Las Vegas Motor Speedway. Then, like, that's not enough. Now you've also got full-blown off-road going on. I mean, full-blown, from luxury pre-runners to trophy trucks getting down. And of course, what would off-roading at LS Fest be without somebody deciding it was a good idea to bring a limo out and jump it? And not just jump it, but roll it. And after it rolls, gets back on its feet and goes driving around some more. The jump in the limo was for a world record. Now, I don't know if they got it or not. I suppose by now some folks will know, but nonetheless, jumping a limo off-road, going for the world record. I just absolutely love it. And our buddy Garrett out there, Garrett has the very famous Instagram page known as AmericanMuscleHD, and he's got a beautiful Monte Carlo with an incredible story about building it. It gets stolen, he gets the car back. He was back at LS Fest this year with the goal of taking tires off the car, and he did just that. And not so much so that it just kind of blew out a tire, but he really thrashed the left rear to the point where it even did a little bit of body damage. But I don't think Garrett cared, because he was out there to have a good time. And from what I can see from clips, it looked like he had a blast. And I've mentioned a couple times in this video already, but I think it's important to mention again, two companies that I'm really proud to be working with is Holley, which has obviously become a behemoth. I mean, the amount of companies that they've taken on ownership of, it's really a pretty cool thing for our channel to be aligned with Holley. On not only the channel side, but on the Fox Body Mustang, we are gonna build at some point here. And the other one that I'm really stoked to be a part of is SpeedTech Performance. They're smaller on the scale of who knows about them. They haven't built the fame that some of these other suspension and chassis companies have, but without doubt, they make some of the best chassis and suspension components going, especially if what you're looking for is a performance-built car. Again, I throw it back to my buddy Frankie at P2 Fabrication and the vehicles that they build that go out in autocross, road course, compete for the Optimal Ultimate Street Car Challenge. These are cars that are built to be driven hard, and SpeedTech delivers every time. So I'm really proud to be aligned with both of those companies. I'm bummed I had to miss LS Fest. Like I said at the beginning of this video, as you can tell, I was really suffering being down at the beach in Cabo with my family and friends. We had an extraordinary time. I truly do look forward to being at LS Fest next year, because this is one I've never been to, and I've heard about it over and over and over. And now getting to watch the footage that my crew got, spending a few days out there, even going as far as our friend Ken from Classics Daily and @Ken, Boosted Nova. We shot his Boosted Nova recently. Ken rallied together a cruise leaving on the first day, at the end of the day, to go cruise the strip, the freeway, with a bunch of amazing cars. And from what I've seen and what we're showing you here, it was really a freak show. By the end of the night, they had rallied together somewhere around 40 vehicles up in a parking structure, but they actually cruised the Vegas Strip with a bunch of badass hot rods. So like I said earlier, I'm bummed I wasn't there, and I really do look forward to next year. And I hope this gives you some sense, because looking at the clips, it definitely gives me a sense of what I missed out on this year and what I'm really looking forward to seeing next year, which is Holley's LS Fest West. Also, just want to make one final mention, you guys, about our new collection that's gone live while this video is playing for you. The merch store has just launched the new collection. We've ordered, honestly, very limited amounts of stuff. So if you see the design, you think it's something you want to get, I highly recommend head over to atlamerch.com and buy your stuff, because this predictably will sell out quickly, and then we'll be on to our next collection. So I hope you guys had fun in this one. I had a blast just looking back on this, and as always, you guys, a big thanks for hanging and watching what we do here. I really genuinely appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next episode. All right, man, later.